Alright guys, here we are. It's another segment. I'm going to give you guys some update as well. You know, most times I tell on say Savini say in na person be like say na chameleon na me be most of people when I know the value they believe. I know say most people already believe say yes, that man na person be like say you know get as go to forget immigrants when they for Italy now. So he don't go bring one kind of like an old video contain the centro immigrant again. So where they can put this particular video for inside one of the station, one of the big station here in Italy, and then I'll give you the updates more and see how it happen. But first, let's talk about the one of the Luciana Lamorgese, which is the Minister dell'Interno. Yesterday, I gave you guys updates about how this lady is trying to work for immigrants who are living across here in Italy and that of Europe at large. Now, this lady have gone to a kind of like they have finally met a kind of like had a meeting with the Interior Minister of Greece, Cyprus, Malta, and that of Spain. So I'm going to give you guys this news first based on article before we go to the one of this Matteo Salvini. Alright guys, so now listen and see what they stated last this period when this Luciana Lamorgese tried to meet this Interior Minister of Cyprus, Greece, Malta, and that of Spain. Let's see what they debated on the issue based on article. Alright, he said here, Minister Lamorgese in Athens for the mid-5 together with the ministers of the interiors of Cyprus, Greece, Malta, and Spain. When I talk about this, Athens is a big city there in Greece. That was where they had this meeting. In Tanto, you guys can see it there on board. Now let's go a little bit forward and finish this article, wrapping it very fast, and then go and meet what Matteo Salvini published. All right, he said here, one of the proprietary teams is to provide for operational solidarity mechanisms in the management of migratory flows that can start already in the coming months on the basics of the agreement defined in Malta in September 2019. This is what was declared by the Minister of the Interior, Luciana Lamorgese, as the end of the work of the mid-5 in Athens, in which the ministers of the Interior of Greece, Spain, Cyprus, Malta, and Italy participated. You guys can see it there on board. Now let's go a little bit forward. He said here, at the center of the discussion, the negotiation on the new European Pact on Immigration and Asylum, within which added the owner of the Interior Ministry, there remains an imbalance between the measures of responsibility and those on solidarities. You understand? Let's read this last paragraph because all the story is still the same. All right, he said here, our main objective remains that of rebalancing those two fundamental aspects of the pact, and therefore I am grateful to Greece for allowing us, together with Spain, Cyprus, Malta, to consolidate a united position. All right, he said here, there is a strong need to keep the front of the Mediterranean countries united in order to guide with a constructive spirit and collaboration with all member countries. Now they are explaining here that those ones who are having the Iceland, that is the country that is kind of like close to the MSC, they have to collaborate together so that when immigrants arrive, so that they will know how to rescue this immigrant and then try to make a distribution. This is what they are still explaining here. Let's finish the article in Tanto. He said the negotiation on the new European Immigration and Asylum Pact concluded the minister. During the meeting, the 5 ministers shared the encouragement of the efforts put in place by the Commission to launch strategic partnership agreements, keep tools for sustainable economic development in countries of origin and transit of migratory flow, and for the definition of an innovative European return system with more agilely produced. You understand? So guys, there are many articles here as well, like I told you guys every time. Now these people are still holding this meeting in order to a kind of like the first arrival countries that is close to the Mediterranean Sea. They have to collaborate together and then call the attention of the rest to distribute immigrants. So this is what they are still working. I think by God's grace, they will put all these things into consideration and then prove this law so that people who will be landing here in Italy, they will be distributed to other places. So the story remains the same, that Luciana Lamorgese is still working hard to see forth how she can distribute immigrants who will be arriving, and then thinking of those ones who are already here in Italy in order to make some distribution. This is what this lady is still emphasizing. So guys, let's see how they can collaborate together. In tanto, the major articles here is just for those ones who will be arriving, because there is one kind of like a statement I saw in the ministerial website as well, when she was stating those ones in Italy they have to distribute as well. But my own is that I know it is for those ones who will be arriving. The close country, they will try to kind of like make a kind of like assistance. So this is what they are stating. Without wasting time, let's go to the story of Matteo Salvini. Mo go see Okpata when he be like say he don't yam for ground. Alright guys, this video I'm going to explain to you guys before I display the video to you guys, so that una go know the rate at which we be like say at the time I say Matteo na person be like say na chameleon, but most people know they believe him. Because the other day come out they tell us say immigrants when they pay tax for the country, they are welcome, thanks to them, this, that and that. Now you don't come out concentro one Senegalese immigrant, because this news when they won't give una so now something when like say most of una go they say it don't pass. But of recent now, the Matteo Salvini don't take the video, come put for his own platform, give one of the biggest station for Italy here. They can go analyze the issue when happen for that place. I go show on a video me now see how it happen. In tanto 2 days ago when Matteo Salvini posted for his own platform, now be this picture one they see for board now. So what happen for that place? The owner of the house won't enter the house. But the man, when like say rent, the man give Senegalese. Thank God say this one not come from my own Paese. If you say na Najabi, this one also the first this say every time Nigeria. So now this man also try to kind of like state that the owner of the house go and be the Igbo man, no go fit enter inside the house. And we don't know why it be like that. Maybe they pay house rent, they give the Igbo, and then the Igbo now won't try to do 1 or 2 things, all those kind of stuff. And then this man start to the shout say like say no go allow the Igbo man enter the house. All these things are something when be like so on a very good day, it don't make sense. Well, man giving at the video, more na watch, and if I come back, I'll still give my own explanation.
Non può entrare.
Ma questa non è casa tua.
È casa mia. Lui ti manda a da noi perché siamo neri, voi venite qui a rompere coglioni. No, non va bene così. Non avete diritto di entrare. E basta.
Lui è il proprietario di casa.
Ma hai toccato?
Siamo testimoni che non l'ha neanche toccato.
Ora ti faccio la denuncia io. Vado a farci la denuncia perché mi hai toccato. Perché mi hai picchiato. Perché sei razzista. Veniva tutto senegalese qua, ti rompevano coglioni anche voi. 30 senegalesi, 40 senegalesi venivano addosso, diventa un casino qua. Secondo me questo rischio anche per te.
È un rischio per me.
Sì, perché noi siamo africani.
Alright guys, so that is it. You see what happened that place where that man not hungry make that landlord enter the house. Catalan say he don't pick care him, he going to give and donate cha. So that is to let you know sometimes the way when we the Africans they behave, they give this Oyibo, they make them the paro for us. Now that man now so the rent house give you dey in a fit to not be you get house. The owner of the house where use the money buy the house or where build the house won't enter his own particular house. Despite say right contract for you, at least they say the owner be the owner. You know, let them make you enter inside the house. If, for example, person the work finish, you go fit explain, give your landlord, say, see how the condition take be, see how the situation take be. But most of us or most of the immigrants when they for the country, like we go to do strong head, they follow Igbo. At the end of the day, they go say we not good, and then they complain. Tell me now, this kind of thing will like say happen now. So now one Senegal man, nine be that man, so now they watch for that place. They analyze this issue for one of the biggest stations. You understand? Now the biggest station they can analyze this issue. Now Matteo Salvini can carry this one come the centro for his own platform. They say see how Vergonia when African people come rubare the Italian house. So guys, many things will be like say they happen there. Sometimes people go they find work, go they do this, do that. Many things will be like say the Italians themselves they see from their own people platform. They make them they feel say yes. Now so all these African people take be. Now make anywhere where beside say you see Oyibo, if Oyibo the waka they come like this, say he be holding back, you see one black man when they come like this, he go just put the bag for you like this. He go hold on because they fear we will be black. So guys, now something be like say sometimes we went there for the country, we need to appear good to these people so that we go feel they get what we need for their hand. Because if all this kind of bad news, immigrant this, immigrant that, continue like this, at the end of the day, people will find it difficult to get work, because anywhere where you go say yes, they're not try to like give you good heart, you know, go feel work out. So that is something when like say they happen. So now I know many of now go they throw me for the comment section, say this video na old video. I try to give you analysis. The video when Matteo Salvini still carry comments, go to show people when they for your own platform, they show Italians, say see waiting the immigrants when they for the country they do. So we need to still give them and see how it they happen, because the other day come out they talk say immigrants when they pay tax, say thanks to them. Now you know remember that one, say me use and take cover this one. They expose everybody, they come out for the social media, make Italians they see how immigrants they behave. And at the country now we dey, if they not give us work, how we want to do this something. So now so the issue take. Alright guys, so that is it. If you never follow me for my Instagram, may try to follow me for Instagram. I play still get some small updates when I drop for them. I'll see how it they happen. The next time again we meet together, hit the like button. Ciao.